Alright, so today is August 22nd, the year of 2023. This is my potato experiment, doing a stacker here on Riverponics growing system here. Yeah, so this is what I got. Been doing this for a long time. Patented system I developed. Works great. But I've never done potatoes. Alright, so now I'm preparing my potatoes, and basically you see the spuds on there, and that's just what you do. You cut up a potato and you actually bury this like 2 or 3 inches underneath your soil, Alright, here's an update on the potatoes. I planted these last Thursday. There's one there starting to come in, and little growth right there in the middle of the screen. Alright, so the potatoes are coming in. Hasn't been that long. That one over there is doing a lot better. It just really took off for whatever reason. I have no idea compared to this one. This one looks like it's struggling a little bit. The other one, I planted 2, the other one didn't come up. So I put this bucket right over the top of them like so. Then I'll start adding soil around here, but I'll leave the top, this top, above the soil line, like around 2 inches. And then as that plant grows, I'll just keep on adding a little more soil and hopefully get some nice potatoes growing. Alright, so today is August 22nd, the year of 2023. This is my potato experiment, doing a stacker here on Riverponics. Hey folks, this is Matthew with Riverponics. It is October the 6th. Thought I'd give you an update on the potato experiment. And the double stacker over there, that was the best performer, and that actually failed, and I'll explain that in a minute. But this other one actually started taking off, and it's become a big plant now. So I'm really curious what kind of potatoes I have growing down in that 5-gallon bucket. This was the one that was absolutely outperforming, but it started rotting at where the stem meets the soil line. It started rotting there, and so I'm thinking once you start stacking, you should probably try to use a lighter material than soil, or maybe like a mix with leaves and stuff. That way it's not so compactable. Alright, here's the final video for the potato experiment. This is the first year I tried potatoes with Riverponics. Next year, hopefully, God willing, I'll be able to perfect this. But this one was a slow goer, and it actually started taking off. It's wilted because I actually did this a few days ago. I dug these up, and then I put them back in here just so I could do a video like I'm doing today, and show you what I got. And I actually did get 3 potatoes. These are obviously red potatoes. They're in here. There's another one. There's the other one at. There it is. Here's the other one. So yeah, I got 3 decent sized potatoes out of here. And granted, I got a late start on this. I did this midsummer, but having 3 potatoes in there is not bad. Every plant's going to be different, though. You're going to get different yields off of different plants. And I imagine if I would have started this earlier in the year, I would have got more potatoes just out of one bucket. And then once I perfect stacking my containers, then of course, that handful could turn into a couple dozen or more. We will see.